Hi, it's Perreault from Remax with your weekly home update for the Portland metro area. We have data here through the week ending June 9th. So once again, interest rates are the big story in real estate. Mortgage rates are dropping a bit, but for how long? It's time to get up to date on the most recent Portland residential real estate statistics and trends. This week, we'll look at the main trends in residential real estate sales for the entire Portland metro area, including all of the nearby communities in Oregon and Southwest Washington, Clark County, as well as the week's hot topic, falling mortgage rates. The average sales price in Portland Metro has fallen from the high we saw the previous week and is now roughly equal to the same time period last year. As we mentioned last week, the year-over-year average sales price increased by more than 4% between May 2023 and May 2024. Looking at the first 10 days of June, though, that margin decreased to only a 1% increase. That is, the average sales price has risen only 1% this month compared to last year. Something to watch over the next couple weeks because obviously we've had a correction. The number of purchase agreements signed by buyers and sellers remains relatively strong, with a 15% increase over the previous week. What is interesting is that this is roughly the same number of deals signed as last year around this time. We had been outpacing buyer activity from last year for the previous 5 weeks, but not this week. Again, maybe a little correction happening now. Our other main measure of buyer activity, lockbox opens by agents out looking at homes with their buyers, has been increasing for several weeks. Lockbox openings are up 5% from last year on the Oregon side of the border and more than 10% on the Washington side. The supply of homes available for purchase has been steadily increasing. That is normal for this time of year, and the increases are roughly in line with last year's. Nothing new there, but keep in mind that we have a larger supply of homes for sale than last year. Buyers have 32% more homes to choose from versus last year at this time. There's no change from the previous week, but we're still down from the 44% difference we were seeing about a month ago. Now let's talk about mortgage rates. At the end of last week, the 30-year fixed mortgage came in at 6.5%, best case scenario for the best advertised rate we could find. Well, we got a couple lower than expected reports for inflation and a higher than expected number of jobless claims. That all led to smaller yields on the 10-year Treasury and in mortgage rates. On Thursday, the best rate I could find advertised was 6.25%, with most lenders likely ranging between 6.75% to 7%. As always, if anything changes before we have our next video, I'll let you know. The Federal Reserve Board did meet last Friday. They made no changes to their Fed funds rate as expected, but they did announce that they only expect one interest rate cut by the end of the year, down from the 3 cuts they had previously anticipated. So for now, it looks like mortgage rates in the 6s is where we're going to stay. Thank you as always for joining me. Subscribe to our newsletter or our YouTube channel, or both, or give me a call at 503-683-1885 or send an email to lauren@pdxhomesforsale.com. Make sure that you don't miss any updates and feel free to share this video with anyone who may be concerned about the real estate market in Portland. Have a great week and I'll see you right here next week.